I think like we need to demystify a little bit about how scary AI is. It's
Right.
another form of technology. Like all other forms of technology, it was inherently designed to make people's lives easier, not to
Right.
replace people. It's not technology instead of people, it's technology augmenting people. And I think once you start reframing and thinking about how does technology, how does AI specifically augment the jobs and the roles that in what you do every day, it becomes a little easier to tolerate and to
Mhm.
think about what your quote unquote AI strategy is or what your AI utilization will look like
Right.
across the board. Because I think one of the things I keep hearing, and my goodness, if I could just put a stop to all of that, is, ooh, I don't want to do AI. It's going to take over my job. Well, here's the
Oh yeah.
thing, the part of your job AI is going to take over is should in theory be the stuff that you don't want to do, right? It's the repetitive admin tasks, it's the operation tasks.
Mm,
Like if anyone in the audience has ever survived open enrollment, do you really want to answer for the 12th time what your dental plan options are? Like, let's just get real with ourselves for a
sure.
moment here. Or do you
Yeah.
want to ship it off for something else to answer it so that you can actually focus on the important stuff, on the things that really need your attention,
Mm.
instead of being a cog in a wheel churning over and over again?